You got a date with Justice, One-Eyed Bart. One-Eyed Betty? What? Ah!
Huh? I think you dropped something, mister.
Jesse, give it up, Bart. You've reached the end of the line. I always wanted to go out with a bang.
Oh no! The orphans! Hold them steady!